Welcome, today we're going to show you how to create Nvidia GeForce account from the start in 2025. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and search for Nvidia GeForce. After that you need to click on the first link. Now you need to click on the profile picture on the top right. From here you need to enter your email to create the account for the first time. So enter an email that you didn't have entered in any Nvidia account before. So I will enter my email. Then hit on continue. Now you need to enter your display name and then you need to enter your password. Re-enter your password again. Then you need to click on I am a human. So you need to fix this puzzle. It says click on things that can be used for carrying water. As you from here. Then you need to click on create an account button. Now you need to go to the email inbox that you have entered and get the verification code. As you see, here's the code. I need to just copy it and then you need to paste it here. Hit on continue. And now you have successfully created your account. So now after you have created your Nvidia GeForce account, you need to join GeForce Now from here. So click on join now. So in some regions, GeForce Now is not available yet. So you need to write your email address so they can notify you when GeForce Now is available. But if it's now available in your region, you can just go on and continue joining your membership with GeForce Now. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.